write the first program, that was Python IDLE. You have to open the Python IDLE, that is Integrated Development Environment. So after you open like this, I already installed in Aishwarya's computer. Aishwarya, you have this particular environment now. Aishwarya, you have this environment now. It is running. Okay. So let me go for the first program. File, new file. Okay. So first program to print the data, print hello or welcome Python programmer. Welcome Divya and Aishwarya and okay, Aishwarya to Python class. Okay, so whatever you are going to write, that will be displayed in the output. So save this particular file, in any folder you can create. I already created a folder in E drive, but once again I will create a new folder, that is Py family, that is Python family. Okay, in this Py family I will save the program as under no need of double quotation, because it is already the type of the Python saved file is Python file. The first program is greetings.py. Okay, save it. After that, it was saved successfully in the Py family. Go to run and press F5. You will definitely get an output here. Okay, this is the first program to display some content in the output. Okay, next, if you want to write a leave letter like this, then how to write a leave letter? Okay, how to write a leave letter? File, new file. Now print. First and foremost thing, you need to learn the escape sequences. I will tell you, this is the comment. This comment will not be executed. That means whatever I write in the triple quotation, means double quotation 3 times, double quotation 3 times. Here I will write escape sequences. Escape sequences. That means escape sequences means the output of Python program can be designed easily and efficiently using escape sequences. So what are the escape sequences? /n refers to new line. If I want to print a new line in the same print statement, then I will use /n, and /t, it is this /t is used to print the tab space in the output for the purpose of how many spaces for one single tab? 8 spaces. 8 spaces. So let me go for the normal program. I want to print some values here. Print, if I will write 3 names like here Divya and Aishwarya and then Vinesh, like this. If I write these all names, if I will print all the names in a single line, I am going to save this particular file. this particular file as in my folder. What is the folder? In E drive I have py family. I will save. I already having the greetings.py. Now I am going to say this is escape sequence esq.py, that is escape sequences demo. I am going to demonstrate. So if I save this particular program, okay, and execute by pressing F5, otherwise go to run and press F5, you will get all the names in a single line. All the names in a single line. I want to print each and every name in new line. Then I have to do one thing, that is the same program. Where is it? This is the program. Here I need to put a slash n after Divya. The Aishwarya will be printed in the new line, and once again I will put a slash n after Aishwarya. Then the new line, that is a new name, is coming in the new line. So let me save the same program and run the module once again. I will get the 3 lines because of I use the printf. Under the printf I have three statements, 3 names actually, but I use slash n. Wherever you are going to use slash n will print in a new line. It is an escape sequence. Similarly, for example, you can also write so the leave letter. For example, I want to display leave letter using escape sequences. How can I use? Print at the right side corner you must get a date. For that particular purpose, slash t means 8 spaces, 8 spaces, 8 spaces, and print a date. Okay, followed by for printing a date at corner, and next printing the station at the right side corner. Every time you need to use the new line. The new line means slash n here, otherwise you can put a slash n at front, starting of the next line. Next print new line and 3 spaces station, and next is print slash n for new line 2 slash n to Rajesh Technologies. Okay, and this is the institute name, for example, and you have to give slash n Vishakhapatnam, and you can also give the address Andhra Pradesh. Okay, next print statement. In this particular print statement you can write slash n respected sir, okay, and then in the new line I am so and so need a leave for the purpose of some content, and then final print slash n new line thank you. Okay, your signature at last. This is like a leave letter. I use this escape sequences. Slash t refers to tab space and slash n refers to new line. Once again I save my program and execute this particular program. I will get a new leave letter here. See here, this is the leave letter I got as an output. Okay, students, you understand?